So we're going to learn how to change our profile picture for our Google or Google Chrome. What you're going to do is you're going to open Google Chrome. And up here is a Chrome extension, and it says bitmoji, and you have access to the site. So the way that you get this extension is by going to your apps, web store, right here, first one, and then typing in bitmoji. And it's going to look like this, and I've already added it, so that's why it says added. And you're going to press this, which is going to say add to Chrome, and then accept, and it's going to pop up on your extension side, okay? And once you have that uploaded onto your extensions, I'm going to go to my mail. This is the easiest way that I found to do it. There might be an easier way, but I'm just going to go with this one. And once you get to here, you're going to go to your Bitmoji. And you're going to have to set up an account and set up your own Bitmoji. Sorry about that. Your own Bitmoji. So once you've done that, you're going to click here, your Bitmoji. And you can choose anyone that you would like. By doing that, you are going to, for instance, right-click, save image as. I just go enter. Then next step is you go here to the HCS or your other Google account if you have one. You are going to click right here, this little camera on your profile picture. Then, since you saved it to your computer or your iPad, you're going to select it. Select the one that you would like. I'd like this one. And then open. And it says that it's too small, but you can press dismiss and make it bigger by dragging the corners. Okay. And then select this profile photo. As you can tell, it might take a second to pop up on here, but if you notice, I'm going to make a new email. So I'm going to compose one. I'm just going to send it to myself. So, oops. It's right there. It's in there with the new one, but it's not popping up as my other one because it takes a second. So, hi. Hello. Oops. Not that. Send. And then whenever I get it, which is instantly, I'm going to open it. And then there's my little Bitmoji right here. So that is how we make our Bitmoji our profile picture.